Are you looking for the best moon lamps? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best moon lamps on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. OneFire Northern Lights Galaxy Projector. The OneFire Galaxy Projector transforms your room into a stunning night sky with multicolor northern lights, stars, and moon projections, perfect for creating a relaxing atmosphere. It offers 316 lighting effects with 21 colors, adjustable brightness, and rotation speeds, letting you customize the ambience for dates, parties, or quiet evenings. You can also enjoy 15 soothing nature sounds like rain and birds, helping you unwind and sleep better. Plus, its built-in Bluetooth speaker connects easily to your devices, so you can sync your favorite music with the light show for a full sensory experience. What we like: multicolor dynamic projections, 316 lighting modes, 15 soothing sounds, Bluetooth music speaker. Number 2. Northern Lights Projector by Staryou. The Staryou Northern Lights Projector is a versatile device that combines a star projector, northern lights display, moonlight, Bluetooth speaker, and white noise machine all in one. With 15 color options and adjustable brightness, you can easily create the perfect ambience for relaxation, sleep, or special occasions. The built-in white noise features help soothe you and your children to sleep, while the Bluetooth speaker allows you to enjoy your favorite music and sync with the light show. This projector transforms any room into a calming space, making it ideal for both kids and adults alike. What we like: multiple lighting effects, Bluetooth music connectivity, white noise for relaxation, remote control convenience. Number 3. Fussion 13-in-1 Planetarium Projector. The Fussion Galaxy Projector transforms your space into a stunning celestial display. With 13 different film discs, you can immerse yourself in various cosmic scenes, from the Milky Way to the Andromeda Galaxy. This projector has a wide coverage, projecting images onto walls and ceilings up to 16.4 feet away, making it perfect for any room. You can also rotate the projector for a customizable experience. Plus, it features a convenient timer, allowing you to set it to turn off automatically, ensuring a peaceful sleep environment without worrying about leaving it on. What we like: clear and realistic projections, multiple scene discs included, quiet operation and timer, easy to use and adjust, relaxing atmosphere. Number 4. HERHOTER Star and Northern Lights Projector BLXK09. The HERHOTER Star Projector offers a stunning light show with multiple projection modes, allowing you to enjoy colorful stars, moons, and auroras on your ceiling or walls. You can easily control it using the included remote, making it simple to switch modes, adjust music, or power it on and off from anywhere in the room. It provides 4 brightness levels and 3 speed settings, so you can customize the light effects and find the perfect ambience for any occasion. Plus, the built-in Bluetooth speaker lets you play your favorite tunes, while 8 soothing white noise options help you relax and fall asleep peacefully. What we like: multiple projection modes, remote control convenience, adjustable brightness and speed, Bluetooth speaker included, built-in white noise sounds. Number 5. CPLA Moon Lamp 2023 Upgrade. This CPLA moon lamp is a cool and realistic night light that is perfect for kids, babies, and adults. Made with 3D printing technology, it features a realistic full moon shape that is both novel and charming. The lamp is not only a beautiful decoration for your space, but also a touching gift for birthdays, Christmas, and other festivals. It comes with a wooden stand and can be controlled via remote or touch. The lamp is USB rechargeable and uses energy-efficient LED light bulbs, ensuring that it stays cool even after long periods of use. It emits a flicker-free soft light that is gentle on the eyes. Additionally, the lamp is made from PLA material extracted from corn stalks, making it odorless and non-toxic. With its timing function, this CPLA moon lamp offers convenience and warmth to your living space. What we like: Unique multicolor design. Great size and quality. Easy to use. Good battery life. Casts lovely light.